Here I got to next lift to this parking garage, and you know, this is an 80s of rentals. It appears to be modernized. Well, let me show you something. This is so good. This is the absolute relic. Check those ceiling. Those cracks, look at that.
Oh, look, there'll be one ceiling tile.
Blood. Oh my god.
Look at that rusty fan.
Oh my god, this is so good. We finally were able to get on an original one. Look at this. Relic.
But surprisingly,
Yeah, and it has been inspected. Actually, recently. Look at that alarm button, but it's a different alarm. This thing is very, very, very sus. Look at that. There's no one ceiling tile.
look, only one light bulb.
One light bulb. This is an absolute hellhole.
It really is.
Look at that footprint.
Whoever looked at this elevator and thought it looked okay is crazy.
And I thought we were stuck.
Oof.
Well, that was close one. Like and subscribe.